Yo, how's it going, everybody? Hope everybody's good. I might be gearing up to take a buy right here, to be honest. Let's do it. Let's start off the stream strong. Let's do it, guys. Let's see what we can do here. Tight stops. Let's see if we can take another loss on stream. Actually, you know what I might do? I might extend this up to here and put a little partials here. I normally, it's very rare that I do this, but I'm gonna do it. Oh, I can't even do that because I got my max position size put there. But it's a sell though. Why is that? Why is the limit sell not working? That's really weird. Okay, well, I'm just gonna close full here then. Just gonna close full there, guys, if we make it. If we make it. Let's see if we want to do it. A little bit of an hourly wick fill. Who opens stream already in a trade? I do. Yo, Shibby, Grant, how's it going, guys? Let's see if we can get some cookage going. Let's see if we can get some cookage going, guys. I was gonna try and go live on TikTok, but I'm a little bit late to the party trying to do it. Let's see. What can we do here? Chat and interview, I guess. TikTok streaming is a mess. Yeah, I'm kind of figuring that out now. Looks like I might actually get cooked, which sucks. I legit can't get a win lately. It's ridiculous. But yeah. Legit can't get a win, guys. Yeah, I'm actually gonna mess with that some other time. I don't really know what I'm doing. Don't really know what I'm doing. Yeah, definitely cooked here. This is friggin', yeah, it's futures, yeah. Always trading futures. Starting off the week strong with another loss, it seems. Yours is looking so different. Why is that, I wonder? Yeah, took a loss there. It's easy, just like that. We take a L. You closed red last week. I closed green, but it wasn't that green. I mean, yeah, that sucks, but I'm gonna screenshot that. Yeah, of course we would one tap me and then friggin' start moving up again. I might actually re-enter if we break this high. Thinking about it. Still a decent stop loss. Yeah, that was stupid, but we'll do this. See if we want to friggin', I might take it up to this level, to be honest. We'll see. Wait for something better. Yeah, I mean, I like it on the 30 and the 1 hour is why I'm kind of interested. I like it on the 30 and the 1 hour. Yeah, I like that we closed bullish on the 1 hour. And I like that we had that weakening body on the 4 hour too. Yeah, I like that we had that weakening body. If anything, I think the top wick on the daily is going to be formed first. Yeah, I think this is a good trade. Might actually hold it a little bit more. Yeah, let's see if we can get something going. Rare BTP, I'm going to put it at the top of the range, to be honest. Just because the 4 hour is really showing that weakening on the previous candle. I mean, yeah, we'll see. We shall see. I'll probably just end up closing it way earlier, to be honest, but yeah, see if we can get cooked again 2 times in a row. If I get cooked again, I'm literally just gonna get off because there's no point for me to stay on. That's gonna be my daily loss limit like right away. But yeah. Screw it. I'm not mad at it. Honestly, I'm not mad at it at all. Oh, you made 1,300 in the very start of Sydney session. Damn, bro. That's a good start. Good start to the week, for sure. Good start to the week. Definitely. Let's see here. The weekly is just opening. Damn, the weekly created some support after a massive push up. Yeah, we created some support after a massive push up. Yeah, I like that for sure. I definitely like that. Let's see how we push. Yeah. It's definitely not a lot of volume coming in for Asia Open. Definitely not too much volume. Yeah, Logan. That's 3 trades in a row. I got 1 ticked and then back up. Yeah, I'm mainly looking at the fact that the 30 on GC, what I'm trading, is kind of looks like it's holding support to push up to me. And the hourly, I like that it was a bullish closure more than anything, along with the structure of the 15 and the 30. I think it's a good sign. It's a good sign for me, I feel like. Stop below the last candle is better. Yeah, if you want to play it a bit more safe, for sure. If you want to play it a bit more safe, definitely. Damn, we're getting a lot of volume on a push up. A lot of volume on a push up. I might actually see if we can carry it all the way up here. Fuck it. There's so much. This area right here, if you think about it, this is clearly an area that price is going to gravitate to. I think that's why we're seeing a massive push up now. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens. Oh, 70. Yeah, nice. Nice. How many ticks are we in profit right now? Ticks. 40 ticks in profit. Nice. Yeah, that's a good trade. That is a good trade. I like that we're pushing up so strongly. I like that a lot. I'm probably going to go break even, to be honest. Switch to a dollar amount. Yeah, I think we can get a big push up. W trade. Yeah, facts. Facts, man. Yeah, guys, I would strongly encourage you to close here if you want to play it safe. I can see this running to that level up there, though. I think that's a good target, honestly. It's a lot of ticks, but like, yeah, it's 165 ticks, but I mean, yeah, I think we're chilling. W start to the week, yeah, facts. Yeah, we're sitting nicely in profit here. Well, I wouldn't even say W start to the week because I friggin' got tapped. I got one ticked again, third time in a row. I got one ticked, third time in a row. I got one ticked. It's actually ridiculous, man. Like, it's actually crazy. Genuinely insane. Genuinely insane. Like, I can't think of anything crazier than getting one ticked 2 times in a row, dude. Or no, 3 times in a row. One ticked and then ripping. One of the trades one ticked me and literally ripped 400 ticks in profit. Like, dude, like, what is the need of that, bro? It's actually crazy, man. Yeah, definition of joint. Genuinely insane, dude. Yo, RJ, how's it going? How's it going, man? I think you messaged me on Instagram, actually. I keep forgetting to get back to you. But yeah, I definitely will answer you soon. Maybe I did answer you. I can't remember. Massive W, yup. You were in a long too? Yeah, nice. I might get stopped at break even, but I really think that that's a clear area for price to gravitate to. In Asia, I think it's a clear area to gravitate to. We'll see. You got in at 29? Yeah, nice. That's good, man. It is sketching me out that there's no bottom wick on the 4 hour on Forex, but I mean, we just pushed up a decent amount on this candle. I wouldn't say there's no volume. There wasn't at first, but like, we ended up pushing up friggin' 60 ticks on this candle alone, so yeah, that's pretty good, isn't it? I think that's pretty good. Yeah, there's a nice bit of resistance in the way, but I'm just looking at how the structure is formed above it with this massive naked range. I think Asia might push us up there. Asia might push us up there for sure. Why is my internet being so slow? Passed your 150k and blew it within 2 weeks. Yeah, don't surprise me, to be honest. Do not surprise me. That's very common, bro. Very common. Yeah, you'd actually be surprised how common that is, I think. Swing trade? Nah. Nah, it's not that much of a swing trade. It is a pretty big trade, but been killing it just a bad month. Yeah, I think a lot of people has been struggling lately. It's been tough conditions, really tough conditions. Yeah. Pop a nicotine gum real quick. I want us to create a wick on this candle. I just don't want to wick down to my entry. Easiest to pass. Well, you know, it's pretty even, honestly, between like Bullinox and Top Step, because Bullinox does the intraday trailing drawdown. But I blew 40 accounts, 40 challenges. Yeah, 40 challenges. And then I made all the money back that I spent on those 40 challenges in one payout. Just one payout. Yeah, 40 is actually pretty low. If you look at the average amount that traders blow, 40 is really low. I've blown 12 this year and passed 3. That's good, man. That is good, bro. Yeah, it was a good trade. I didn't even close anything though, but that's because I'm getting a little bit greedy. Stop by, you want to add? Yeah, I'm actually going to add to this position if I can. Do I only trade gold, bro? Yeah, I only trade gold. That's it. If we push up from here, I'm going to add to the position at the break of the current. I think it's a decent chance we do. Yeah. I mean, it's kind of bullshit that I got 1 ticked on the first one, but my first entry I got 1 ticked. And now I might get stopped at break even, but I don't see the 30 pushing down that much. It's hard for me to visualize that, but it looks like we're going to do it. Yeah, it looks like we're going to do it. See if we can get a different entry from here.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's gay. See if we can get a different entry. What's one psychology lesson you would share with people? Let me think. Dude, if I get 1 ticked again, dude, 2 times in 1 trade is crazy. 2 times in 1 trade is crazy, man. I might actually lock out and get off if we break the top wick on this candle. I can't handle that if we break the top wick on this candle. Go in again? No, I'm not going to go in again. The only reason I was willing to add is because I would have still been able to be at break even if I move my stop up a bit. Jack, what's up, bro? How's it going? Over trading is no good. Run away. Yeah, I mean, it was really 1 trade, but I got 1 tick twice in it. This is nuts. Yeah, it is nuts. It's absolutely nuts. It's bonkers. How old are you, Pez? I'm 25. Just retest the support on 5 minute. I don't look at the 5 minute. Yeah, it is pretty rough, but it is what it is. It is what it is. Yeah. My account's just getting cooked. It's chill though. At least we do have a support to sell below right now, but yo, Ty, you missed it. I got 1 ticked. Yeah, I got 1 ticked. It was incredible. It actually made me so happy. When price came down and tapped my stop and then pushed up, it actually made me so happy that I wanted to jump out of this chair and jump with joy, because it's the 3rd time in a row that it happened. And I'm not being drove nuts at all. I'm actually perfectly really happy with that. you know. Yeah, 3 times in a row is crazy work. It's crazy work. Yeah, unbelievable. Unfriggin' believable. Make it a hat trick on stream. My daily loss limit's at 2,500. They haven't changed it. Like, it says 2,000, but it's actually 2,500. Look at my window. Why? Why would I look at my window? I did do it though. You got me. Yeah. How has trading changed your life? It gave me purpose, fulfillment, and an income. Yeah, I would say that's the main ways it changed my life. For sure. Yeah, Orm, you missed it. Got bottom ticked. 1 ticked again. Just drove by. Why? What, Ty? Yeah, it is rough. It is rough. It's really rough, and I want to quit trading. I'm actually beyond pissed. You wouldn't understand how pissed I am, but yeah. It's all good though. And then I re-entered on the break, and then I got stopped at a break even. 1 ticked again. So I got 1 tick twice on 1 entry. So it's really 4 times in a row that I got 1 ticked. Dude, yeah, I'm not emotional at all. I'm completely... no, I'm just playing. I'm fucking pissed. Lock out before the anger turns into tilt. Trust me, bro. Man, I'm chilling right now. I'm chilling. Wii music vibe going on, yeah. I hate that it's pushing up again. I hate that it's pushing up again. I'm fucking pissed. Not gonna lie. How did I break the unprofitability cycle? I think I just learned as I went, you know? I learned as I went. Made tweaks and stuff like that. Dude, I am fucking pissed right now. But yeah. I'm going to smash my monitor. I'm going to smash my monitor. Chill. I'm chill. Did you make your own strat? Nah. I made tweaks. Like I definitely judge where I'm gonna place my TP and stuff like that based on my own analysis and when to go break even and stuff. But yeah, Ariel's angry for me. I appreciate that. It means a lot. It means a lot. Is gold being dead ass? Yeah, it is. It's hunting my stop. I'm on a live account so the market makers can actually see my shit. How long you been trading? It's interesting for me. I've been locked in for about a year, but I knew about it and dabbled with it for a lot longer than that. Just not actually consistent. But yeah, I've been doing it every day for multiple sessions a day for about a year. Yeah. Oh man. See if it wants to present another entry somewhere though. How many sessions do you trade now? 2. Asia and London. Yeah, Asia and London. Ego and pride clouds my judgment when I lose. I have to lock myself out before it ramps up. I understand that. 42-17 may be a good entry for a sell. We'll see how it reacts there. We'll see how it reacts there, for sure. We'll see. No, it's not even based on that. It's not even based on that. It's more so based on what I'm used to. Because I used to watch Dan so much that I got in the routine of doing Asia and London. Even though New York is the best time-wise for me, because that's at like 9:30 in the morning. And London's freaking 4:30 a.m. And then Asia is 8:30 p.m. So I be up all night. Typically, I'll do this Asia stream. Try and get some exercise in between. Read the Bible or whatever and chat with people. It's very correlated. It's very correlated. I kind of knew what you meant, but RJ, it is the strat that Dan uses, yeah. You're on GC, yeah. GC is the wave. Who is Tyler? Tucker Trades. The man, the myth, the legend. He's not in the mentorship, but he was the OG from the chat beforehand. Yeah. Like way back in like February, I remember him being really active in the chat and stuff. Yeah, it's been an interesting stream already so far, but why didn't he join the mentorship? I'm not sure. He's in a different mentorship now. He trades a little bit differently. It's still similar, but it was 200 like the first day. When I bought it was like right after stream. And then it changed like the next day. Joe Trades is who he trades with, yeah. I think he relates a little bit more with Joe because I think he's from the UK too, right? How much is now? I'm not sure. I think there's different levels to it. Depending on what you want. Like what kind of service you want. Like how many one-on-ones and whether you just want course material. They don't live far from each other, yeah. Makes sense that he would choose him. 100 miles? Damn. That's not that far. Yeah, that's not that far, I wouldn't say. Accents change every 15 miles in the UK. It doesn't surprise me, to be honest. Man, the structure on the 30 really makes me think I should re-enter. Is any activity? You know what? Guys, you're going to witness me take a dumb trade right now. You're going to witness me take a really dumb trade. Right into shit. Nobody take this with me. This is an emotional trade. I'm warning you. This is 100% a emotional trade. It's not dumb. I mean, the 30 just makes me want to friggin' take it, you know, like A plus 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 plus. Yeah, this is friggin' as good as it gets. You know, I wait for this. Has live trading changed with Top Step's new rules? I don't think so. I think it's all the same with live trading on Top Step. This is a cooked trade. I'm not gonna lie. And I'm holding it to the moon. I feel like today is the day that I get rewarded for bad behavior. I can feel it in my bones. The dumb ones always run. That makes me more confident. I appreciate that you said that, actually. Yeah, thank you. You're really helping me feel better about this. But yeah, I strongly encourage nobody to take this. With this shit to the left, I don't think it's that high probability. Strongly encourage people not to take this. But I'm holding it to the friggin' moon. I'm holding it until we get halfway into this naked range. Once we get halfway into that naked range, I'm closing it. You're gonna head to bed? Yeah, it's all good, man. Jack. That's funny, man. That's funny. Have a good stream. Appreciate you, bro. Thank you, man. Yeah, I really appreciate you, man. Let's see. Oh, shit. I'm risking a bit more than my fucking daily loss I'm at. Let's see. Little 10 grand trade. Halfway up there. Love, bro. Yeah, peace, man. Let's get it, man. Let's get it, man. We got 2 hours and 26 minutes on the 4 hour. We got that Asia volume kicking in. It doesn't matter about that structure. It's going to run through that easy. That structure is nothing. Once we get above this, we're breaking above that. And once we break above that, we're going to that. That's my analysis. My analysis is once we break above this, we're breaking above that, and then we're going to my TP. That's my analysis. This ain't the Pez I know. Dude, when I get bottom tick 3 times in a row, this is the Pez you see. I'm not going to lie. Once you get bottom tick 3 times in a row, this is the Pez you're going to see. I'm going on friggin' tilt to my daily loss limit right now, or I'm ending the day 8,500 in profit. I don't even care. Yeah, it's too easy. Logan likes tilt. Yeah. This is how we do it, guys. This is how we do it. I hope nobody else FOMO'd in, because this really is a genuinely shit trade. But yeah. We're going to the moon. We're going to the moon, guys. I mean, just think about how responsible this is. Just think about how responsible this is. We have no bottom wick on the 4 hour on Forex. Now that's a tall tale sign that we're gonna push up. Not really. We have no bottom wick on the daily on Forex. Now that's a tall tale sign that we're gonna push up. Not really. It's a complete opposite. Yeah, everything's in my favor. We have structure to the left that I'm trading into. You know, everything is just screaming that this is a good trade. Hello, you're new here. I'm sorry, man. You're witnessing the worst trade of all time. It's a good shit trade. Yeah. I mean, what are you going to do? I don't even want to trade anymore today anyways. I want to get locked out. Like, this is three times in a row I got bottom ticked. I don't even want to trade anymore today. If I get my daily loss limit, I'll be happy. I'll be genuinely happy if I get my daily loss limit. Seth is gonna remember this day forever. You're welcome. I created a good memory for you. You're welcome, bro. Been holding bot since Friday. W mans. Should I still hold? I don't know, bro. I'm in a shit trade right now. Imagine if this wins, though. Imagine. Just imagine I get rewarded for this behavior. Yeah, Jack. I think you know what you're talking about, man. I mean, at least we did get a red on 4x, right? Yeah, at least we did get a red on 4x. It will run. Straight to stop loss is crazy. Yeah, TP facts. We're not even going to get one candle red, I bet, until we get TP. Who wants to place their bets? Wouldn't be here if I didn't care. Appreciate you, bro. Yeah, you the man, Seth. Seth is the man, guys. Yeah, I mean, it's just not, like, based on what I know and what I've seen, it's not high probability. Yeah, I genuinely am just so pissed. So pissed that I got bottom tick my stop loss 3 times in a row. 3 times in a row is crazy. Look, Ty approves of this behavior. Yeah. Don't listen to what I know. Just take these type of trades all day. Delete your stop loss and learn your lesson. I mean, anything that happens here don't even matter, because if it hits my stop loss, my daily loss sum is hit. So, yeah. Like I said, genuinely don't want to trade anymore today after that bullshit start to the day. Yeah. Where's this hourly level to? All the way up there. 48.8. Right there, yeah. Logan, I'm telling you, man. There's no part of me that is being rational here. There's zero part of me that's being rational right now. No London stream? Well, we'll see. We'll see. If I hit my daily loss limit, then no, but if I don't, maybe. Dude, if anybody took this, I strongly suggest that you close right now, to be honest. This is just out of pure impulse. But it's fun though, right? It's fun to enter these dumb trades. Yeah, basically it just needs to break above this level and then break above that one. And then we're good. Yeah. Like, yeah, if it does that, I think we're good. Then break above that and go into the middle of the clean range, all green. That's it. Yeah, that's all we need, man. Oh, it's so funny. If you think about it though, the 4 hour is just screaming, I want to go up, isn't it? That's what I see. I see the 4 hour just screaming, I want to go up. Yeah, I'll teach you guys how to trade emotionally. Teach you guys what not to do. TP all-time highs, yeah, definitely. More people are watching though. Maybe I should do this more often to get more viewers. 200 tick Shanghai Open top wick income. Yeah, we don't even have a bottom wick on a daily. It's just gonna rip 200 ticks from there. You know what I'm saying? 100%. I mean, yeah, 100% is doing that. Getting ready for China. Know what I'm saying? No regrets. Know what I'm saying? Yeah, dude. I think 6,000 is a good level to look for buys, honestly. So I'll just do that. Fill all that clean range. Isn't that better? Is that a better idea? Yeah, it's definitely a better idea. I'm gonna have to do a sleep stream. Yeah, look at that. It's beautiful, man. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful trade, man. Albert trade. That's crazy. So true, though. So true, though. No, I don't look at that, Logan, but appreciate you saying that, making me more confident. Oh, dude, that would be sick. Yeah, if we had like a donate button and a friggin' horn or something that you could smash. That you could just... Yeah. That would be perfect. Oh, yeah. This is beautiful, man. Text-to-speech donuts. That's actually a good idea, though. Oh, yeah. Look at this, guys. Look at that, guys. You got some homemade eggnog. Didn't even know you could make that at home. That's interesting. Dude, one thing that would piss me off like crazy though is imagine if I got bottom ticked on my revenge trade. Imagine if I got bottom ticked on my revenge trade. How's the coffee? It's great. Yeah, I got some Starbucks what's it called? K-cups. Yeah, they're pretty good. Pumpkin spice latte would go hard right now, yeah. You're imagining the moon. That doesn't mean you're in it, does it? Yeah, if this got bottom ticked, I would legitimately crash out. I'd be smashing my money through. The TP is at all-time highs. Yeah, it's at all-time highs. It's the only justifiable action I can take after what just happened to me. Yeah. I can't justify any other behavior than doing this after getting bottom ticked 3 times in a row. I think it's a valid tilt session. Honestly, it's not even an emotional tilt session. It's genuinely a conscious decision to give myself the compassion that, you know, when some bullshit like that happens, it's understandable. That's my thought process. It's a conscious decision to go on tilt. Yeah, you gotta have one. And also, my daily lost some of the set, so yeah, we're getting some friggin' dopamine addicts in the chat today. This is acceptable, man. I'm telling you. It actually makes sense. And who knows, man? Maybe the universe is gonna understand. Maybe the universe is gonna understand and be like, yeah, you deserve to get rewarded. I got a new subscriber. W, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, hopefully this never happens again, but I'm glad I'm not streaming this on TikTok. Yeah, there'd be some crazy people in there. All-time highs, baby. Right from here. Yeah, I genuinely should be up. I rightfully should be up 20k right now. Genuinely. So, I'm just collecting my debt from the market. I'm like a loan shark, and I'm collecting my debt from the market today. Yeah, exactly, man. It's only right. It's only right. It's like there's scales in the universe, and they need to balance. And after getting bottom ticked 3 times in a row, there's some imbalance, and I'm just balancing it out right now. Yeah, I'm just balancing it out. Baby Shark is crazy. Oh, look at that big jump up. Oh my gosh, yeah, that's a good sign. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, the monthly's flipping green too. Look at that beautiful monthly structure for this trade. That, oh my gosh, that is, oh dude, the beautiful monthly structure is just getting me going. Yeah, I'm casually moving the market with my friggin' $30,000 account. You'd only scalp it, yeah. I mean, the only reason I have the stomach for it is because I'm just so pissed off I don't even care. Well, I guess that means I do care, but gotta entertain the crowd. Yeah, we gotta entertain the crowd. Market Mover CEO of the Year. Yes, sir. Yeah, I moved the markets. There would have been no room for it to run, though. Well, here's the thing. Any logic behind this trade does not exist. That's the thing. So that's your first mistake by trying to put logic into this. Yeah, Seth, I know. I know. But I'm telling you, this is gonna run, man. 100% all the way to the moon. This is a beautiful trade. Just absolutely terrific. I'm not asking much of the 4 hour, you know? I'm really not asking much of the 4 hour here, as you can tell. Yeah, that would actually be funny if we closed bearish and then close above and it gave a sensible entry after me doing this. That'd kind of be funny. Monthly swing trader, that's right, man. That's right. This is what we do, guys. This is what we do. Oh, step one. Step one. We got the first level. We're going above the first level. Step one might be completed. Yeah, I keep forgetting to put that in. I don't even know how to do it. What do I need? Like stream elements or something to put that in? Seth, you gotta teach me. Did you go 5 minutes? That is for me to know and only me. Yeah, that's for me to know. That's my secret. Yeah, that's my secret. But take a guess. Okay, I'm not even joking. I might actually go to break even and just see how far this rides. Even though it's a freaking hourly closure on this candle, isn't it? Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I'll just keep my stop there, like I said. Yeah, it is a good spot. The thing that's scaring me is I know fucking the hourly is gonna one tap me again. Like, if I go to break even and I get one ticked again, then I'm literally gonna poo my pants. But I'll do it though. There we go. I'll do it. I'll satisfy you guys. See, I told you. I am not emotional. See, can't you see my screen? I'm not doing anything dumb right now. Nah, no parcels. Fuck it. I'm just gonna let it. I'm gonna see how far it goes. Yeah. We're gonna see. No risk, no Rari. That is literally the key to life. That is the key to life. That's logical. This is logical, guys. Yeah, I mean, you're looking at a top 0.1% live funded trader with Top Step right now. This is what it takes. Yeah, this is what it takes, guys. Yeah, I'm a live trader for a reason. Guys, Top Step evaluated me. You're looking at Pride now. I'm just joking, really. Yeah, I'm just joking. This is just... Yeah, this is ridiculous, man. But it's fun. We're having some fun. Yeah, look at that. We broke above, eh? Yeah, can you argue with this logic now? One tick incoming, guys. One tick incoming. Just to warn you, there's a one tick incoming.
Order filled.
There it is. Now we go up from here. Or not. Yeah, I'm going to lock out, actually. I'm going to lock out, and then I'm going to come back for pre-London, I think. Yeah. I mean, yeah, it does make me feel better, actually. I'm glad that I went break even. And if you look at it, if you think about it, I took my loss. I took my loss. I got break even on a dumb trade. Now I'm going to lock out. I'm going to take a step back. Lockout till pre-London. We're gonna lock out till pre-London. There. Now I can't do anything stupid until then. And I got one more trade left in me. One more sensible trade. So, yeah. Alpha Futures. No, I'll be trading my live again. I still got decent amount of room. I got a decent amount of room on my daily loss limit, but yeah. That's how we do it, guys. That is how we do it. This has been interesting. This has been a very interesting stream. How was the Top Step evaluation? By the time I moved to Top Step, I was already really familiar with the way prop firms work. Yeah, I was with Bullinox for the longest time. Such an interesting stream. Yeah, I'm sure it was. I'm sure it was. Yeah, this stream was crazy, honestly. Yeah, that was a crazy stream. Little mini tilt session for you guys. Yeah, little mini tilt session. You feel better, Seth? Yeah, I locked out for you, Seth. Someone say crazy? Yep, I did. Yeah, guys. Honestly, that was a valid crash out. After getting one ticked. That was a valid crash out, to be honest. So I don't even care. But the good thing is I'm safe until pre-London. And we're going to show up and actually execute. W, Jack. W. Where was the signal, man? I would have closed and sold. It's going to be with you all day. Good. Use it to your advantage. Example for the next mindset webinar. Yeah, maybe I'll screen record my tilt and then show it in my mindset webinar and be like, guys, this is good behavior. This is what you want to do. Should be. What indicator did you use? I did the emotional indicator. Yeah, I did the emotional indicator. That's my favorite indicator. Yeah. So yeah, over time, you know what? I've gotten better at tilting. That's why I got break even on my tilt trade and then locked out. I've learned how to tilt. Yeah. I'm a master tilter. Is that right, Allison? Better as in worse? Yeah, definitely. Yeah, that's the thing, Seth. Like, I'm not gonna pretend like I don't have those emotions. I'm not gonna fucking end the stream and then do it. Like, why the fuck would I do that? You know what I'm saying? Like, obviously it's a bad decision, but I genuinely knew it was a bad decision. I was just so done. Like, I was so done with that fucking bullshit after the past 3 trades. Yeah, it was just... You tilted too? That's crazy. Yeah, I feel like I definitely influenced some people then. Yo, Flynn, you missed it. No one tell Flynn what just happened. Yeah, no one tell Flynn what just happened. Yeah, it's all lessons, Allison. It's all lessons. Definitely, like, I agree with Seth. Anger always results in something dumb. At the same time, I'm human. Like, if certain things happen, like, I'm typically pretty good with going on tilt now. After so long of doing it, I've definitely been better. Like, it's harder for me to get pissed off. It's harder for me to go on tilt like that. But dude, the past 3 trades, yeah, they got me feeling some type of way for sure. Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Definitely. Yeah. I think that's it for me though. I think it's gonna be a short stream for Asia, and yeah, I'm gonna come back for pre-London, I think. Yeah, that's the thing. Yeah, that's like kind of what trading is. It's just emotional regulation, but it gets out of hand sometimes. It does. It gets out of hand. Yeah. Well, I'll catch you guys later. That was definitely the most interesting, craziest, fun, ridiculous stream I've done yet. Yeah, cheers, Logan. Catch you guys later. Peace. Great start to your Monday, yeah. Appreciate you, Allison. Peace, guys.